So boys and girls, I am there at the 4th page of our aptitude book. Okay, so please get ready with your aptitude books so that we can solve each and every problem and can get the answer accordingly. Okay. So even 4th page also contains the concept of analogy pointing to sequence of letters. So let us start. A pair of letters is given. Take the pair which shows the similar relationship that shown by the given pair. Okay. I hope you already are quite familiar with this kind of sequences and concept making. So let us start and answer the questions. So look. First, A, C. It's very clear that what exactly is missing? Letter B is missing. A, B, C. Okay. And E, G. E, F, G. Okay. And here we have to take care of another thing, that A, B, C. Again D is missing. E, F, G. Okay. First we have to understand that the given alphabets or the relation is already in a sequence without the middle one, whereas even the individual pair also lost the middle letter. Like that we have to form the pair. Look, P, Q is missing. R. Again to move to the next pair, S is missing. P, Q, R, S, T. In between T and V, we should have U. So, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. This is the sequence. So, option C. Okay. Now, let us look at the second question. A, B. It's very clear that they are in reverse order. E, F. Again, they are in reverse order. Here, so if we check the relation like that, look, C, D, G, H. Already they are in reverse. C, D, reverse order. E, F, G, H, reverse order. Then why can't we go for this option? E, F, G, H. So both are of the same type, carrying the reverse order pair of relationship. But we have to observe very carefully that AB reverse, EF reverse, whereas AB, if you observe CD are missing, then comes EF. Okay. Here if you observe the option B, EF, GH, they are in continuous sequence, whereas we don't want that kind of sequence. Hence we have to find the relation like that. Check the option A, CD, okay, GH. If we write the sequence CD, EF. So EF are missing and then GH. So option A is the right answer for the second question. Now look at the third one. Okay, it's very clear they are in sequence A, B, C. Okay, like that we have to check. D, E, no. W, U, V, no. L, no. P, Q, R. Okay, because U, V, W, whereas they gave in reverse order, but the sequence is in direct same way. So P, Q, R. Next, look at the fourth one. A, B, clearly C is missing. D, E, F, G is missing. So if you observe, the given relationship between the letters is in a continuous sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whereas one letter after the two letters is missing. Okay, like that we have to find the sequence. Okay, take B. L, M, N is missing. O, P, Q, R. Okay, so L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, continuous sequence. Hence option B. Okay, now let us take the fifth one. P, Q is missing. R, S is missing. U, V, W. Here all the letters are in continuous sequence, whereas in the first session of letters, after each letter one letter is missing, whereas in the second part, okay, no letter is missing. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Like that, if you check the option B, A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So option B. Okay. Now let us move to sixth question. X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Okay. As previously discussed, if we write A, B, C, D, E, F like this and start writing the reverse order X, Y, Z. Sorry. Okay. We have to write Z in the reverse order. Okay. Z, Y, X, W, V, okay, U, V, W like this. Okay. In that case, what exactly should come? A should match with Z, B should match with Y, C should match with X. But if you observe the sequence, they made it reverse. That means they took the first three letters like A, B, C, and they reversed this sequence again, X, Y, Z. Okay. In that case, if I take D, E, F, if I reverse this sequence, it becomes U, V, W. So look, U, V, W is equal to D, E, F. Okay. So this is the sixth answer. Now let us move to seventh one. Look, A, B, C is missing, D, E, okay, F is missing, G, H, I is missing. Okay, the letters are in continuous sequence A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, like that pair we have to find. Look carefully. P, Q, R is missing, S, T, U is missing, V, W, X is missing. Okay, hence seventh one, option A is the right answer. Now let us move to eighth. Okay, look at the eighth one. So A, B, C, they are in sequence and the first letter comes again. E, F, G, they are in sequence. Here E comes again. But whereas look, A, B, C, next what should come actually? D. And that D is missing. Again E, F, G. First, let us check option A. For example, L, M, N sequence and L is repeating again. O, P, Q, O is repeating again. But we have another condition that in between the each given set, one letter should be missed. But here that is not the case. All the given letters are in direct sequence. Hence, this one is not the right answer. Let us check D. P, Q, R. So they are in sequence and P is repeating. T, U, V. They are in sequence and T is repeating. If you observe P, Q, R, after R will get S, as is missing. Hence option D is the right answer. Hope you are clear. Now let us move to ninth one. Look, B, D, F, G, H, I. If we observe, it's very clear that they are in sequence, but let us see the missing letters once. B, C is missing, D, E is missing, F. Next continuous F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Like that pair we have to find. Check the option B. L, M is missing, N, O is missing, P, Q, R, S. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Now the 10th one. Look carefully. Okay, check the sequence. C, D is missing, E, F, G. Okay, after the first letter, one letter is missing. After the second letter, two letters are missing. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J is missing, K, L, M are missing, and N. Okay, like that we will find the option in D. Look, O, P is missing, Q, R, S are missing, T, U, V is missing, W, X, Y are missing. Okay, hence option D is the right answer. Hope you are clear. Have a great weekend. We'll meet you in the next aptitude class. Till then, bye.